Top 5 most overlooked German luxury coupes you can snag for under $15,000. Number 5. 2000 Mercedes-Benz CL600. In the year 2000, the Mercedes CL600 reigned supreme as the flagship model of the CL lineup. What set it apart from its lesser counterpart, the CL500, was its mighty V12 engine. Displacing 5.8 liters, this 60-degree V12 powerhouse boasted 3 valves per cylinder, churning out an impressive 362 horsepower and a formidable 391 pound-feet of torque. Today, the Mercedes CL600 can be had for the remarkably affordable price of around $14,000, making it one of the most accessible V12-powered cars on the market. Number 4. 1995 Mercedes-Benz SL500. The 1995 Mercedes-Benz SL500 stands out as a coveted classic, and its slightly higher price point compared to its newer counterpart is a testament to its timeless appeal. The R129 body style, masterfully designed by Bruno Sacco, is widely regarded as one of the most iconic and desirable of its era. Under the hood, the SL500 boasts a potent 5.0-liter V8 engine, producing 315 horsepower and 347 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a smooth 4-speed automatic transmission, this powertrain delivers effortless performance to the rear wheels. While market values for these models have fluctuated over the years, a well-maintained 1995 SL500 can now be acquired for around $13,500. This presents a unique opportunity to own a legendary vehicle that embodies the essence of Mercedes-Benz's rich heritage. Number 3. 2014 BMW 428i. Following the E9X Generation 3 series, BMW made a bold move by spinning off the coupe variant into a distinct model, the 4 Series. This strategic split resulted in the creation of the sleek BMW 428i, a 2-door luxury coupe that embodies the perfect blend of performance, agility, and refinement. Although higher trim levels of the 4 Series exist, they exceed our budget. Fortunately, the 428i offers an exceptional driving experience thanks to its potent 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine. Producing 240 horsepower and 255 pound-feet of torque, this powerplant is paired with a smooth 8-speed automatic transmission. The 428i's engine is remarkably responsive, with a small turbo that delivers excellent mid-range torque. This makes the car feel agile and nimble, whether navigating twisty roads or cruising through urban landscapes. As a luxury coupe, the 428i also impresses with its quiet and capable nature, providing a driving experience that's truly worth savoring. Number 2. 2002 Mercedes-Benz SL500. Initially, the cost-cut version of the R129 SL500 may seem like a compromise, but don't be fooled, it still delivers a luxurious driving experience. Although its 5.0-liter M113 V8 engine produces slightly less power than its predecessor, with 302 horsepower and 339 pound-feet of torque, the difference is negligible in everyday driving. Paired with a smooth 5-speed automatic transmission, this powertrain provides ample performance for a comfortable and enjoyable ride. With an average market value currently sitting at $13,134, this Luxo coupe is expected to become even more affordable, with prices potentially dipping into the $10,000 range soon. Number 1. Mercedes-Benz C350, C204. We know Mercedes has dominated this list, but when it comes to affordable luxury cars, the brand's offerings are hard to ignore. Our final pick, the C204 Generation C350, embodies the perfect blend of luxury, performance, and affordability. While it may not boast a V8 or V12 engine like some of its counterparts, this coupe's relatively modern design and lower maintenance costs make it an attractive option. Notably, the C350 was also available with an optional 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, which added a mere $2,000 to the sticker price. This upgrade not only provided enhanced traction and stability, but also included a convenient heated windshield washing fluid system, a feature you never knew you needed until now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.